Here we're going to use the logarithm of a power in order to simplify to solve this problem. So the first step I'm going to do is write the logarithm of a power property right below it so we can very clearly see what numbers each of those variables represent. So now we can see that the b represents the 6, the x represents the 4, and the n represents the 2. So let's rewrite this, but instead of n, b, and x, we're going to substitute in the 6, 4, and 2. We're really just taking that exponent and we're putting it at the front and multiplying by that number instead. So now we know that if we can find the log of 4 with the base 6, then we just need to multiply that by 2 and we'll have the answer. So at this point, I'm going to put this into a calculator and see what that equals. I like to use Desmos for graphing and also for calculations. When you go to desmos.com, if you click on Graphing Calculator, we're not going to graph, but we can still just enter whatever we want to calculate in this box. Down in the bottom left, we have the option to show the keypad. And so what I'm going to do is click on functions because I don't see a button here for log. So if I click on functions and go through each of the tabs here, I can see on the miscellaneous tab, we have a log where you have the option to write whatever base you're using. So let's do log, and our base for this one is a 6. And we're finding log of 4. And we see that is the answer. And then we're just going to multiply it by 2. So we can put a 2 in the front here, multiply, and it changes our answer. This is 2 times the log of 4 with the base 6. So I would round my answer to about 1.55.